Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how I can activate two WhatsApp accounts on one XIAOMI 12S Ultra. So if you have your first WhatsApp account and you need to create the second one for the work, for example, with separated contacts, separated numbers, separated messages, of course, I'm gonna show you the two methods for that. We have to open a Play Store, then look for the WhatsApp app. That's not for normal WhatsApp, look for the WhatsApp Business. Just install this app, and by this way, you can see I have two WhatsApp applications. That's it. Now the second way, we have to look for the dual app. Choose one of them. I previously installed this one, so we have to open it and agree the terms. Now decide that you want to grant permissions and just tap on the WhatsApp account. And whole process starting automatically, and now we are creating the second WhatsApp app. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe and a comment, and goodbye.